Alright guys, so a lot of you went on my Instagram account and asked me, Nick, what have you been doing? So I did the 24-day jumpstart, the Advocare 24-day jumpstart, and I lost about 7-8 pounds in 24 days and 2 inches off my waist. So I'm going to show you guys just what I managed to do in a very little bit, small period of time. As you can see, feel leaner, lighter, faster. My energy has gone up. So again, I'm just sharing this with you guys. It's a 24-day jumpstart. We'll put the link as well. If you guys are interested, go check it out. And I'm also a big fan of the Spark. I use the Spark. I take at least 2 Sparks a day before workout. This shit is like freaking dynamite. So guys, if you have any questions about it, you can let us know. So we'll put the links. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and train hard.